Now today we start sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In flowering plant, the reproductive parts is the flower. Flower consists of four whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. The calyx is the outermost whorls of the flower. They are non-essential whorls of the flower. The member of calyx is the sepals. The sepals, they are green in color. If the sepals they are fused, then they are gamosepalous. If they are free, they are the polysepalous. It can be required for the process of photosynthesis because there is a green in color. Now, second member of the flower is the corolla. There are also non-essential whorls of the flower. The member of corolla is the petals. If the petals they are fused, then they are gamopetalous. If there is a free, they are polypetalous. The color of the petals they are different in different species of the plant. It can be required to attract the insect for the pollination. Now third members of the flower is the androecium. Androecium, they are the male reproductive parts of the flower. The member of androecium is the stamen. The stamen consists of filament and anthers. The anthers, they are bilobed in structure with 4 microsporangia. The microsporangia, it will be consist of microsporogenesis. In microsporogenesis, there is a microspore mother cells are present. This microspore mother cell it should be divided by meiosis or reduction division. It will be formed microspore tetrads. This microspore tetrads after the mitosis, that is the pollen grain microspore or pollen grain, it can be divided by mitosis. It should be formed one vegetative cell and two male gametes. These pollen grains they are deposited on the surface of the stigma at the time of pollination. Pollination means there is a transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma with the help of pollinating agent. There is a pollination. The pollen grains they are deposited on the surface of stigma. They are two-cell structure and this pollen grain they are germinate. Now the fourth member or innermost whorls of the flower is the gynoecium. The member of the gynoecium there is a carpel or pistil. They are the female reproductive parts of the flower. Now this carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is the uppermost parts of the carpel. They are capitate and sticky in nature. At the middle, long delicate styles are present. They depends on the position of the flower in different species of the plant. And lowermost part is the ovary. This ovary, if the ovary they are present above the thalamus, then ovary superior flower is hypogynous. If ovary is present inside the thalamus, then ovary is inferior, flower is epigynous. Now the ovule, it can be produces number of ovules. This ovules, it will be consist of megasporogenesis with the megaspore mother cell. Now this megaspore mother cell, it should be divided by reduction division or meiosis to form 4 megaspore. Out of these 4 megaspore, upper 3 megaspore degenerate and lowermost 1 megaspore they remains functional. This functional megaspore it should be divided by 3 mitotic division. It should be formed 7 celled embryo sac or 8 nucleated embryo sac. This 8 nucleated embryo sac it will be consist of there is a 3 cell from the antipodal cell towards the chalazal end. One, that is 2 polar nuclei at the center of the embryo sac, and there is a At the micropylar end there is a 3 cell from egg apparatus, that is 1 egg plus 2 synergid. Here this 2 polar nuclei at the center of the embryo sac, and towards the micropylar end there is a fusion of egg cell plus 1 male gamete. It should be formed zygote. Now these zygote, they are diploid in nature. It should be divided by mitosis at the time of embryogenesis, and there is a development of embryo. There is a long elongated suspensor with the multicellular embryo, and there is a formation of embryo. But at this process, at the time of fertilization, pollen grains, they are deposited on the surface of stigma. This 1 male gametes, they are fuses with the 1 egg. It should be formed egg plus 1 male gamete, is zygote, and 1 male gametes, they are fuses with the 2 polar nuclei. It should be formed triple fusion, that is 2 polar nuclei plus 1 male gamete, and it should be formed triploid endosperm nucleus. This triploid endosperm nucleus, it should be formed the nutritive tissues, that is the endosperm, and this endosperm, it should be formed, there is a seed, and seed, it should be grow the new adult plant, that is a sexual reproduction in the flowering plant.